Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my new tutorial for my website. I just completed, so it is horse. Maybe I will tell winter horse. It will be more interesting, I think, winter horse. So this tutorial for 3 dolls. First of all, for Paola Reina doll. You will be able to sew this so much funny blues, sleeves so much long. Of course you can make shorter, but my idea was like that. So one sleeve you can put upside and one will be long. Then overalls, back side, and so much funny hat. Of course, for this mane you should be able to crochet. It's very easy. Little bit skills you should have, but also you can just put yarn like this, just threads. I wrote in my pattern and my tutorial how to do it. Then this is short fur, and you will need also half beads, black color, my 5 mm about, and I used a little piece of the leather, and also you can use felt, and hat like this. So it was my first outfit when I just made some patterns, bigger, smaller, and then when I make tutorial I created second one, and so much beautiful. I think this color, bright pink, and I think it is aquamarine color, and this sneakers, everything matched, everything. Outfits also you can find on my website, maybe a little bit later, but I will try to add as soon as will be possible. So if you want, you can also create with me with my tutorial, or you can just buy outfit. So many here, so beautiful mane. And guys, I also study new words. It's also good for me. So mane, I didn't know this how will be in English, and muzzle. Because for tutorial I wrote everything, and of course I should explain, and I think how we call it, and now I know that it is muzzle, guys. It's also good, we improve language, why not? And okay, another doll. You also can take tutorial for this doll. La 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 la. And it is Mia Nina's Daniel, 9 inches. Sorry for light, but in my home renovation, and I just put the lamp on a box, and that's why it's not so much good. I think it's not so much matter for you. More important things which I show you, and I hope you will excuse me. So sneakers, socks, and in tutorial will be just blues, overalls, and also hat. Patterns different, of course, because different dolls and different size. Okay, and last one, it is also Mia Nina's Daniel, but 12 inches. So interesting. Ta-da-da-da! You just look! So much funny, big head, big, and so much smart. These eyes is so much like. And here's mane. I don't know how we say. So okay, total mane. Okay, and one. I think it is here. No, I don't know. Okay. And colors I so much like this gray and peach, and also matched sneakers. So this outfit you also can buy on my website. Так, a light little bit I put here to show you like this. And maybe you just today find my channel, so I want to show you these things, and I want to tell you that on my website their price for all outfits include a percent of PayPal, because on my country not PayPal, I use PayPal in Ukraine, and also price for shipping, everything include, because I didn't know how to make it extra like on Etsy I made before. So everything including one outfit, and also tax for America. And if you will take, for example, several outfits, so before buying you should write to me on in my website or in Instagram. I will cut price for shipping, because if you will take 3 outfits, for example, this one, this and this, then in 2 outfits I will remove shipping price, just price for clothes, and in one outfit I will be shipping like this. I hope you understand. Okay, so my dear friends, I hope you like my new tutorial. I think it's so much interesting, and if you would like, you can come on my website and choose which doll, which clothes you want to create, maybe for Paola Reina, maybe Mia, maybe all dolls. And if, for example, you will take it, I will be so much happy to see your works. Before my buyers on Etsy send me something what they created, but here on website I think it is not possible, but you can send on Instagram, and it's really every time very interesting. For me, interesting. Okay, guys, see you next time. If you like my channel, if you like my dolls, these dolls I made, all custom, and this, so subscribe. It's very important, because English channel just I started, it is new, and I will be so much happy if you subscribe. No, if you like, of course. And in January I'm going to make several Mia Nina's Daniel, several dolls, custom, carving, painting, everything. I've bought about 4 Blays, 4 Mia Nina's, small, and one I have big one, and a bitsu also I will do. So a lot of plans. Especially I will have holidays, because I work in institute and my students will have holidays till 12 January, and so many days I will be able to create. It's so much good. Okay, guys, see you next time. I hope I will show you something also interesting. Bye bye.